We got it up. Mm-mm. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Whew. Ah. Ah. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're giving me a hard time. Come on. Ah. Don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please. Mo. Ooh-wee. Right behind the grip clean, y'all. Where my bucket of water at? Come here. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. We're gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got my grip plier with me too. Got that grip clean on me. I ain't playing. Let go. Huh. Uh-huh. Let's get it, baby. Yes, sir. Go put that water on that baby too. Uh-huh. Come on. Move that grip clean out the way. I'm finna go down. Let's go, Hurt. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Let's do this, big dog. Don't play with it. Let's go, big Hurt. Ah. Move. Move. Come on. Grab the soap, baby. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on, Hurt. Moving too slow. Moving too slow, Hurt. Hold on, y'all. I gotta crank the compressor up. Come on, baby. Let's go. Fall back on me then. That's what I want you to do. Now I'm finna beat you. So you tired and you feel me? Let's go. Go, y'all. Oh, yeah. Let's go, King. Let's do this. Oh, don't slide now. Don't slide now. You ain't got time to slide now, King. Come on. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Just like that, y'all. Come on, King. You ain't got long. Driver gotta go. Let's get it, baby. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, go, baby. We hit hard, baby. Let's go. Taking the old one with him. Okay. Taking the old tire with him, y'all. Let's go. Air choke, air choke. Y'all hold on, I got to pull the air out. Got to pull my hose out. Now I got to remove the valve cord. Take the gloves off. Take these gloves out, y'all. They're in the way. I got to work. Where's my valve cord move at? I don't know. Bingo. Go, Hurt. Appreciate y'all for coming in, though. Come on, come on, come on. All you gotta do is get that Velcro out. Something must be wrong with my Velcro remover. Oh, it's been and it broke. Wow. Bingo. Got something for you now. Mm-hmm. Find another one. Let's go, baby. Moving too slow. Go, Hurt. Hey, Friday. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. I thought it was just gonna blow up, but it ain't gonna do it. I'm finna have to bring out my little baby tank, y'all. I'm finna have to bring out my weak tank. This tank gonna have to do something, you feel me? Watch what the tank do. A lot of people hate my tank, but I love this tank. This tank done made so much, and it's still going. I'm not gonna never get rid of my tank. Backup tank is on the way. Let's go, y'all. Uh-huh. Got that grip clean with me, too. I'm in it. A lot of people hating on me, y'all. That's fine. I'm finna keep going hard. I'm gonna keep going hard, you feel me? Ain't nobody gonna stop me. Ain't nobody can stop the king, you feel me? I'm in it, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know who the king is. Let's ride, baby. Let's ride. Please work. Please work. Bingo. Hey, this weak tank work, y'all. Y'all can call this tank weak all you want to. It just seal that power, you feel me? It is what it is. I'm out here, y'all. I'm out here. Let's go, y'all. Only thing I gotta do now is put the barcode back in it. Take the air pressure. Let it pump for a minute. Let's get it. Pump, baby, pump. That's what I'm talking about. Go. Go. Go ahead and put the barcode in it. Go, baby. Go. Come on. Too much air pressure we got in it, y'all. Before that, I put the air truck back on it. I'm gonna get the air gauge. Let it do what it do. You feel me? That's right, y'all. Grip clean on the grind. Grip pliers on the grind too. Hey, I got more grip pliers coming. Oh yeah. I got 3 pair snap-ons coming, dog. Next week, yep, I will be showing y'all my brand new snap-on. Let go, y'all. Let go. Appreciate y'all for tapping. Appreciate y'all for coming in. Y'all just don't know. This make the Kings feel real good. Doing it for my folks right now. Appreciate y'all though. Tell you the truth, I'm doing it for the haters too. You feel me? The one hating on me. Hey, I'm still going hard. Hey, you already know what time it is. King grip pliers, baby. All right, we got 65 pounds in it. Let's go. Shout out to everybody in the live right now, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. We got 60 pounds of pressure in it, baby. Hey, and the grip clean work. And it help clean your hands, you feel me? May do some other things, you feel me? Hey, I just use it on my hands for right now. I'm pumping this thing up now. Y'all just watch me when I grab that big earthquake gun over there. Put some pressure to it, you feel me? I appreciate y'all for stopping by, hollering at me right quick. We're gonna change the air pressure. The compressor, Harbor Freight compressor don't play. What we lock and load, baby. We got 80 pounds. And no. Let me change that. We got 90 pounds of pressure in it right now. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna grab me a 14 Rich, where's my 14? Bingo, I found it. I gotta tighten down the valve stem a little bit, kind of loosen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the air chuck off it. I'm gonna tighten it down just a little bit. Oh, there we go. Ah, yeah. What we got in it now? We got 95 pounds in the tire pressure right now. In the tire. Let's go, y'all. I ain't got long. I had to put y'all in the shade so y'all won't get cut off. If y'all in the sun out here, the phone gonna cut off. You feel me? I'm doing it, y'all. I'm out here. Shout out to all the tie men's out there, man. That's it, y'all. I got 100 pounds. I'm ready to work now. It's time to bolt this baby down, y'all. Playing time over with. Time to bolt this baby down, y'all. Let go. Let's go. Let's put this baby back on the truck. Y'all watching me right now live. You feel me? Let's go, baby. Let's see if he got this jack up high enough. See what we got, baby. Come on. Come on, Hurt. Come on. Don't give up. Don't give up, big dog. Ah. Come on, Hurt. Come on. Yeah. Look like it's going to have to be jacked up a little bit. I don't know. Now it's going on now. Okay. It's just right. He got this baby just right. No, he don't. Okay. Okay. Looking good, y'all. Pretty tight. But I got it. All right, I got a valve stem at 9 o'clock. I'm going to put the other valve stem at 3 o'clock. You feel me? Let's go. Let's do that, y'all. Cross one another. Let go. Come on. Come on, Hurt. Come on, Hurt. Just like that. All right. Get all the lug nuts in the good spot, y'all. The king ain't playing. I'm going to tighten down these lugs so the driver can go. I got to keep moving, y'all. Get it, Hurt. Oh, yeah. I in the sun with it, baby. Shout out to everybody right now. Appreciate y'all for stopping by again. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Hurt. Come on, King. That's what I like to hear my people say. Come on, King, you can do it. Fight to the end, baby. Fight to the end. Let go. Go and stuff. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. My turn. It's my turn. Oh, yeah. Come on, Big Hurt. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on. Come on, big dog. Oh, yeah. Come on. Crisscross that baby. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Come on, Hurt. Just like that. That's how you do that. I'm going to hit these babies 3 more times. 2 more times, they're going to be it. Let's go, baby. Oh, woo, I like to slip in now. Come on, King. Don't matter, you fall, get back up. Anytime you fall, get back up. Don't matter. Come on, Big Hurt. Come on, big dog. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Woo. Earthquake going to hey, that's what I'm talking about. Beat, baby, beat. Beat, baby, beat. We good. We good now, y'all. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Game over. I am